Hello and welcome to taik18. I am Mohammed Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about a sudden login error which comes up recently to many users in Power BI desktop when they refresh their data set. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. If you are getting that kind of error, no need to worry about that. You just need to open your Power BI desktop, and then you need to click on File, and it will open up this menu, and then Options and Settings, and after that click on Options. So by doing that, it will open up a pop-up window, and here you need to click on the Security tab, and then you need to scroll down on this right side, and here you will find this option of Authentication Browser, and you need to tick enable this option, use my default web browser, and then click on OK. So after that, when you try to refresh your data set in Power BI desktop, it will open up a new window, and then you need to log into your email ID and password for one time, and after that it will refresh as usual. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.